What do you do when you're combining different eating styles with your spouse or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, whoever that is that's living in the house with you? You know, there's certain ways and certain things that we can attack and make it smooth for your new eating lifestyle. One, I would have a discussion with my partner, real honest talk. You know what I mean? Just let them know that you need their support when it comes to your diet. Maybe they don't want to join you. If they don't want to eat the way that you are eating, that's okay. There's always a plan and a strategy on how you can work around each other and still get the results that you're looking for when you're trying to lose weight. After you have the honest talk with your partner, be mindful of their feedback. You have to respect their opinion. If they don't agree with you and doing something drastically different from what they eat already, that's okay. So if you are the chef or the cook in the house, then go ahead. For instance, if they eat meat and you do not for your diet, then go ahead and prep their meat and then set it to the side. But then make your food and make sure you have yours ready to go. And by the time that they get home, then you both can eat at the same time, but different types of food, right? The other thing I would say is maybe you only eat on designated days together, and the other days, maybe there's a couple of days that you'll choose to be prepared to eat with them, even though they may be eating something different. And then on the other days that you want to go hardcore on your diet, and maybe it's less intake, smaller proportions, and maybe it's just a certain type of food that you know they won't eat, go ahead and eat on the given time frame that you set for yourself. And then you can have times to chat together. And the other thing I would say, even if they don't want to join your diet, is just be the example, eat the way that you have chosen, and then show them that there's results that are coming from your new diet strategy. At the same time, you might be motivated to jump on board. So give it a try. And don't let anyone keep you from reaching your goals. Always keep searching for the perfect bite and balance.